Check out this 2001 Mitsubishi Montero. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-speed AT, engine immobilizer, passenger airbag, AM/FM stereo, passenger vanity mirror, power mirror, tow hooks, 4-wheel drive, and front reading lamps. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.